Okay, today we're going to talk about mixing with the TDM-100. When we start getting up into the TDM-350 on up to the TDM-750, it's a different procedure. The first thing to do, if your machine is equipped with a discharge on the pump that is right here, the first thing you need to do before you turn on this machine, because it has a liquid ring, which means if there's not water in this pump, it will not run and it'll burn out the ring, and it'll basically ruin the machine. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that it does not have a condition which is called airlock. So what you do is you open this up and you make sure you've got water coming out. Once you've got water coming out, you know that you've got water in the pump. So now we're safe to go ahead and start up the machine. So before I start it up and it gets loud, let me show you quickly what we do to start it. First thing we do is we put on the choke, we put it on in the run mode, and then we just go ahead and pull the cord. So on the tanks on the 100-gallon mixers, there is actually a 100 up here, which I always use a marker to mark where it is. So I do half, which I've got in there now, and I've got 100. Now we remember that the mix ratio for these machines are going to be the same, which is 1 pound of product to 20 gallons of water. So in this case, this is a 100-gallon mixer, so we're going to use 5 pounds of powder. Now if we go ahead and look at the side of this here, these are supplied with every single one of the machines, and there's a little holder for it here. So if we take a look at the side of it, 2 cups equals 1 pound exactly. The easiest way to do this is while the water is circulating in the tank, do not just take the entire contents and dump it into the machine. Slowly put it in there, doing it this way. So when you're done using the product, you can simply come, if your machine is equipped with it, there's a little dump valve here, which you can just turn, and there's a dump valve here. And all you have to do is turn those on, and it will empty the tank and the pump completely.